It seems that Turkey is ready to move forward with the operation in northern Syria. On Tuesday evening, Turkish parliament passed a motion extending the state's authority to carry out cross-border operations into northern Iraq and into Syria for another year. So now the military has the approval of the Turkish parliament to move ahead, and it seems that Turkey is ready to do so. Tanks and military units are at the border. A convoy of 10 buses arrived on Tuesday with Turkish soldiers at the border as well. Rocket launchers are also positioned to Syria at the Turkish border. Meanwhile, Kurdish forces had earlier announced that they would be ready to protect the area they control at all costs. Also on Tuesday, there are mixed messages from the United States. Once again, a threat, this time from U.S. Senator Lindsey Graham. He stated, and I quote in a tweet, "If Turkey moves into northern Syria, sanctions from hell by Congress will follow. Wide, deep, and devastating sanctions." And this comes just a day after U.S. President Donald Trump first gave the green light to move ahead for Turkey, but also warned in a tweet Turkey not to go off limits. It's not clear what that would mean. However, on Tuesday, there was, it seems, a response from the Turkish government, as the Vice President of Turkey, Fuat Oktay, stated in a statement. He said, "Turkey does not take actions due to threats. Where Turkey's security is concerned, we determine our own paths, but we set our own limits." So it seems that despite U.S. threats, Turkey would be ready to move ahead with this operation, but it would be a very sensitive one indeed. I'm Khalbar David for CGTN in Şanlıurfa, Turkey.